The front of this car, I mean, this is just crazy. We have flying doors here. That's how you open them. And then you have the access inside the MC20 by Mansory. Listen to this. Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us we have the all new Maserati MC20, but as we are here in Dubai at Mansory showroom, this Maserati MC20 is not a normal one, it's a fully conversion, first edition by Mansory, and I have to show you this car. It's extremely crazy looking, as you can already see by the first look, but we have so much to show you. So in today's video, join me, I will be doing a full tour of the exterior of this car. Afterwards we will be checking out the interior, and last but not least, we will be also listening to the sound of this, because Mansory has upgraded this car with their exhaust. So what Mansory has done in total, they have pushed the performance of this MC20 up to 720 horsepower, 850 newton meters of torque, and also they worked on the entire body of this car. As you can see, we have a lot of carbon fiber on this. It's completely modified and done by Mansory in Germany, and also the interior is completely rebuilt. So let's get it on and start with the walk around of this Maserati MC20, one of one by Mansory, the first edition. Let's get it on. First things first, starting here at the front of this car. I mean, this is just crazy how much Mansory has added on it. I mean, just looking at the front, this entire thing is finished in carbon fiber. Here's in forged carbon fiber in specific, also with the Italian tricolore. It's also really cool finish here. Then also here the flaps on the side is full finished in carbon fiber. The outtakes fully redone. The interior paint is also done by Mansory. It's a very nice color, full matte finish, matching the carbon fiber matte parts. Really love it. The headlights are the only thing that's stock, as always. We also have some additional side fenders. These are also full finished in carbon fiber by Mansory. Looking at the front bumper, you can see the humongous front intakes. These are all full finished in carbon fiber. I really love them, also with the additional yellow touches. So all in all, guys, how do you like the front of this? In addition, with the doors, it's just so crazy looking. How do you guys like it? So let's get on and start talking here about the side. We have some additional flaps here by Mansory. It's all full finished in carbon fiber. Also this side fender here makes the car look way wider. Looking at the wheels, these are also Mansory forged wheels for the MC20. We have 21 inches here in the front, also with the carbon brakes here, yellow brake calipers to match the exterior details. We have the flying doors here, really cool. Let me just close them for a second. There we go. And then you can appreciate the entire door panel here and the paintwork. Something really cool that I have to mention is the nice color fade. You see the paintwork and then it fades into the carbon fiber exposed body of it. Just so unique. On the side here, Mansory first edition badge, all the additional parts. Really cool. The intakes here on the sides, completely aero improved. Yellow details here, full carbon fiber finished. Also here on the rear, we have this additional part, fully covered in carbon fiber. Really like it. And now guys, let me show you the rear, because this one is extremely special. But let me just turn the lights on. Give me a second. So here we have the rear of the all-new Mansory MC20, and something really cool is this humongous rear wing. Full finished in carbon fiber, is really huge, but it really looks extremely nice. Also with the additional Mansory badges here. In the rear again, Mansory first edition badge. The exhaust tips, we have 4 round-shaped exhaust tips. The sound is so good. We also have the F1 inspired rear brake lights here. Also really cool detail. Everything is finished in carbon fiber to match the entire look of the car. And all in all, guys, how do you like it? Just leave it in the comment section below. And now we will be talking about the interior. And for that, I will be opening up the door. And as I mentioned, we have flying doors here. That's how you open them. And then you have the access inside the MC20 by Mansory. Before I actually forget it, let me also show you the key, because even the key has been redone by Mansory to match the interior. You have a yellow interior inside, and then you also have the yellow key, full leather finish, really cool. So how do you guys like it? Let's just go ahead and jump right inside, because with this MC20, so one of one, the interior has been completely redone by Mansory, as you can already see, and we have a, yellow interior here. We have a lot of details which I have to point out for you. First things first, the seat belts. That's something that I love about Mansory. They always change them. The entire interior is full finished in leather. The entrance board, carbon fiber. We have this cover here but yeah, underneath you can see the leather floor mats. The seats are completely redone by Mansory. We have the bucket seats, full carbon fiber. We have the perforation, the design, the tricolore. We have the steering wheel is full finished and redone by Mansory. Let's just jump inside, guys. I'm just right inside, and something that I just realized is the rear mirror is actually a camera. You can just switch it and then you have an actual rear mirror, but with this you have the camera. And right behind us is the 812 GTS, completely rebuilt by Mansory. Let me just close the door for you. There we go, flying doors. Something that I love about this car. The inside, full yellow interior, and also with the steering wheel, complete different shape. Round top, flat bottom, and the shape itself is very sporty. Airbag cover, everything finished in leather right here. The shift pedals are finished in carbon fiber, something that I really appreciate. The inside, you don't have a lot of buttons. This is something I really like right here. You can change the driving mode here. Wow. Wet, GT Sport, Corse, and EC off. Yeah, you can put the windows up. And then you have this huge display for the infotainment and else. One of one Mansory, Sonos and Faber audio inside. All in all, in the back you have a bit of space. Full finished in leather here, but not that much. Also here the roof is full finished in leather with a nice quality work by Mansory, perforated leather. Even here, I thought it's a mirror. Wait, who is this? Ah, it's from Mansory. Nice. So follow them on YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. Very cool. Let's jump outside, let's go. To open up the door, you actually have to press this button and then lift the door up. There we go. So now it's time to listen up to the sound of the Maserati MC20 from Mansory, guys. Let's get it on. They've changed the exhaust, so listen to this. Crazy sound, guys. What do you think? So that's it basically for today's video, guys. How do you like this Maserati MC20 by Mansory? This one-of-one car. It's extremely unique, carbon fiber overload with a lot of special features. All in all, how do you like it? The exterior, the fully customized interior, and also how do you guys like the sound of this beast? Please share it all in the comment section below. Which car should we film next? At this point, also special thanks to Mansory for letting us film right here in Dubai at their showroom. I'm already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.